In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use ClickUp for beginners so you can understand the basics and start managing your work with confidence. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace. This is your main dashboard and acts like your central hub where everything is organized. To understand ClickUp, think of it in levels. At the top, you have your workspace, which is your main container. Inside that, you have spaces that represent big areas like projects or departments. Within spaces, you can create folders to group related work. And inside those folders are lists where your tasks actually live. Now, start setting up your workspace. Create spaces based on how you want to organize your work, whether it's personal tasks, clients, or different projects. Inside each space, add folders or lists depending on how detailed you want your structure to be. Next, begin creating tasks. Give each task a clear name, add a description, set due dates, and assign it if you're working with a team. You can also break tasks into smaller subtasks to make them easier to manage. As you work, update task statuses like to do, in progress, or complete so you always know what's happening. You can switch between different views like list, board, or calendar to see your tasks in different ways depending on what works best for you. As you get comfortable, explore features like templates and automations to save time and reduce repetitive work. And that's it. You now understand the basics of ClickUp and can start organizing your tasks, projects, and workflows in a simple and effective way.